Hello everyone, I'm working on a Audi Q5 2.0, and if you're wondering where you can find your fuel pump control module, looks just like this guy here. And it's located under the seat here. To take the seat off, you're going to remove two of those plastics, pull them out. Put your hand right under here and pull the seat up. And then this one. Yeah. Out. Next, you're going to need to open these 4 screws to take the seat out completely. To do that, you need this 12.10 millimeter. Right now, just pull this up and the seat's loose. You're going to take the seat out completely. Once you get the seat out, you're going to need to open these 3 bolts. Take this fuel pump cover out. And then here is a fuel pump. You see the wire going in to the fuel pump, and this is the control module. It's mounted with 2 bolts. You can see it's mounted like this. So there are 2 bolts right here. These are Allen head, 5 mil. Let's get these out. There's a lot of struggle, but yes. Let's see how free you are. Perfect. Never mind, those are heat sinks. Yes. Standard Audi plug. You just gotta pull this down until you hear a click and unplug it. There you go. Take these clips out from the module, install them on this one. That's how it should look like. The module that came from the car is a little bit heavy. This feels a little lighter. So we'll see how this one behaves. Let's plug it back in. Same way you took it out, honestly. It does require both hands. I wasn't listening, so little persuasion worked. You'll get it. I don't want to waste your time. So tighten the bolts back up and make sure the fuel module is plugged in. And it's recommended before you button everything up, let's go start the car, make sure if this thing even starts. And let's see. We got press brakes. Good. Okay, while we're here, let's see if there's any service intervals that needs to be set up. Oil change has been set up, I think, in 10,000 miles. I'll just change it every 3,000 miles, not 10. But there's also inspection due since that and that. We have to reset that. To reset this, you have to have an OBD2 scanner to reset that. You cannot do that from in here, at least. Not that I am aware of. No further settings available for this menu. And customer update. Yeah, so there's nothing else in here. So to do that, you just have to plug in your scanner and reset that light. Anyway, for now the car runs. There's a check engine light, and that is due to the turbo wastegate lever being worn out. So next video, when I get a chance, I'm gonna end up taking out a turbo and repair the lever instead of replacing the entire turbo. So watch out for that video. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is how you change your fuel control module. I'm gonna go ahead and button everything up. Take care. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.